Hey guys, in this video we're going to be removing these amber reflectors and installing some cool smoke reflectors on a BMW F10. We recently purchased this 2016 BMW 5 Series for my son, and these amber reflectors just really stick out like a sore thumb against the white paint. So we're going to switch them out. Doesn't matter which way you do it, but turn the steering wheel first to get better access to the bolts on the fender liner. And here we're going to be using an 8mm socket. You need to remove the first three 8mm bolts, starting at the bottom edge of the bumper. I started removing the bolts on the passenger side of the fender well, but it doesn't matter which side you start on. And just for reference, these are the three positions that you're removing the bolts from. And with those removed, you can peel back the fender liner. This gives you great access to the back side of the reflector. I put a microfiber towel between me and the fender liner just to stop it pinching my hand, and then went to town pressing in on the reflector. What I'm attempting to do here is release the pressure from the adhesive on the back of the reflector. That wasn't working, so I used a heat gun to warm up the adhesive around the area to make it easier to remove. With the adhesive all warmed up, I was able to press on it and push the reflector through. I kept pushing on the reflector until all of the adhesive had released, and then I was able to pull it out. It finally broke free and I was able to pull it out of the hole. Here you can see the majority of the adhesive is still there. Checking around the edge, I could feel little bits of adhesive, so I went back in and started peeling those off. You want to make sure there's no old adhesive at all, otherwise the new reflector won't stick properly. Once I got all the adhesive I could feel out of there, I used some Goo Gone to make sure there was no residue. And then I used some Meguiar's Quick Detailer to make sure the whole area was nice and clean. These new reflectors have an L and an R on the back side, so you know which side to put them on. You want to remove the protective film on the front of them, and then remove the red backing to the adhesive film. You can then push it through the opening, make sure you grab it with your other hand from the back, and push it into the back of the bumper. Push it all around the edges to make sure that it's well stuck. I then reintroduced the heat gun and went around the area heating up the adhesive. That just helps it stick a lot better. I then went back and pressed all the way around the edges again firmly. And with that done, you can see about reinstalling the fender liner bolts. I started from the top down just for ease of reinstalling them. And with that done, your new smoke fender reflector is installed and looks fantastic. Such a huge contrast from the original amber one. And go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. And as you can see here in the close-up, they fit very, very well on either side. They follow the contour of the bumper and the aperture that was originally there perfectly. I'm going to leave a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.